Hi guys, welcome back. We are in week 4 of BUS225 Business Communications. What a fun week we've got this week. Got quite a bit going on actually. You've got a little bit of work to do this week. You've got 2 chapters again, chapters 5 and chapter 6. We're going to complete business messaging in chapter 5, and then we're going to take a look at digital channels, crafting messages in digital formats. Going to discuss a little bit about why they're different. Speaking of that, let's just jump right into it. Along with the readings that you have this week, you have a discussion about crafting a message in digital media. Why should we write a different message in digital media than we do in print or any other magazine, newspaper magazine, any other periodical, something like that? So why should it be different versus print media, digital versus print? Why are messages different? Give one example of a message designed for digital media. That's another one. So let's take a look at that. We've got a lot of work to do in an assignment. That's a fairly good assignment this week. Of course, you've got, I want you to go ahead and finish up in chapter 5. I want you to finish up the test your knowledge questions, do questions 1 through 5. Then I have a short little paragraph I want you to write, 140 characters long, nothing major. I want you to make sure that you read through the Foursquare, leading provider of location-based social networking services. So I want you to read through that and make sure that you get that article completed. Again, short one, doesn't have to be fancy. Please follow the rest of the format as normal, as you would. I'm not going to worry too much right now about APA formatting. Come up with a nice clean format and let's go with that. Till we get to some papers, questions are difficult to do formatting in, and I'm not going to have you write a 140 character long APA formatted paragraph. So let's not worry about the formatting so much. Let's more worry about content for a while till I get back to that. We'll get back to APA once we get to some bigger papers. But right now, with the questions that we're doing and the short paragraphs that we're doing, you don't need to worry about doing APA. Let's just do a nice, clean format is all I'm looking for. You don't have to have a cover page. You don't have to have the reference. Well, you have to cite your references no matter what you do. But you don't have to have a reference page. You do have to have your references. But you don't need to do it in APA format. So you've got that assignment due this week, and then we're going to start on your cover letter. We're going to start on your cover letter part 1. This week is I want you to submit your cover letter to the same place that you did your resume, and this time you need to do the same thing at Career Connect. Show me a screenshot. That's what I need you to submit, and get the screenshot submitted. That's what I'm looking for this week. So other than that, guys, pretty simple, pretty short, pretty sweet. Take a look at the examples I have in there. So let's get started on the cover letter. Get that submitted to Career Connect. Send me the screenshot of the submission. Make sure we have that posted this week as well. And then you have quiz 3 and 4 for over chapters 3 and 4. So that is going to be due by the end of the week. Let's make sure that we get that tackled. You can tackle that first week if you want while it's still fresh. So let's jump on that as soon as you can and go from there. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything that I have for this week. It's quite a bit. So it's a heavy week, but that's okay. All right, guys, let's get on it, and I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.